Good evening, all of you. Today's date is 22nd June 2022. First of all, this is the original video. First of all, introduce myself. My name is Satish Sanjay Guge. Recently, I did the diploma B in mechanical engineer, and we will learn the full stack web developer in Java in Dhankaudi in Hypeshine Software Private Limited. So let's moving to our topics. Today's our topic is OOPS concept in Java. Basically, OOPS is an object-oriented programming language, and OOPS is a paradigm to design the program with the help of objects and classes. So let me learn one by one. First of all, what is a class? So class is a collections of objects. Class is a logical entity. After that, what is the objects? Objects is a blueprint of class. Blueprints of class. So objects means vehicle class. Vehicle class. It has own properties and behaviors. That is called as objects. After that, method. So method is a block of a code. It can be used. It can be used reusability of code. It can once write the method, it can use another. So it is called as the methods. After that, there are four pillars of OOPS concepts. First pillar is inheritance. Inheritance means to acquire the properties and behaviors of parent to the child is called as inheritance. There are five types of inheritance. First one is a single inheritance. Second one is a multi-level inheritance. Third one is a multiple inheritance. Fourth one is a hybrid, and fifth one is a hierarchical inheritance. First one is single inheritance. Single inheritance means to acquire the properties and behaviors of parent class to the child class is known as a single inheritance. We take the one example. Single inheritance means suppose we have two classes, class A and class B. Class B extend the class A to acquire the all properties and behaviors of class A. So it is known as a single inheritance. After that, multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance means it is a chain of inheritance. Suppose we have three classes: class A, class B, class C. Class A inherit class B, and class C inherit class B. In class C, there are properties available in class A and class B. So it is called as a multi-level inheritance. After that, hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance means two class extend one class. We have three class 1, class 2, class 3. Class 3 class inherit class 1 class, and class 2 class 2 class inherit class 1 class. So in class 1 behavior and properties acquire the class 2 and class 3. It is called as a multi-level inheritance. After that, multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance means one class acquire the properties of both two class, means class 1, class 2, class 3. Suppose we have three classes: class 1, class 2, class 3. In this class, class C, class 1 have extended the properties of class 3, and class 1 have extended the properties of class 2. So ambiguity is from JVM. JVM means confuse which class method is executed. So its ambiguity is from. So that is Java doesn't support the multiple inheritance, but yes, it is support with the help of interface. With the help of interface, we can implement the multiple inheritance. After that, hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance is same that of multiple inheritance. So that is not supported in Java. So it can be supported with the help of interface. After that, second pillar is a polymorphism. Polymorphism means one entity performs different functionalities called as a polymorphism. It is the best. One of the example is our laptop button. Laptop button is a one entity, but it can perform different functionality. Once we can press the laptop button, laptop is on, and after we can press the laptop button, laptop is a switch. So one entity performs different functionality is called as a polymorphism. So in polymorphism there are two types: runtime polymorphism and compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism is also called as a static polymorphism, and runtime polymorphism is also called as a dynamic polymorphism. In compile time polymorphism, there are method overloading is done. So what is method overloading? Method overloading means in same class, same name, but different argument is called as a method overloading. After that, method overriding. Method overriding is a dynamic polymorphism. Method overriding means in a different class, in a different class, same name, same method. It called as a method overriding. So that's about second pillars of OOPS, like polymorphism. After that, third pillars of OOPS is a abstraction. Abstraction means to hiding internal data and showing essential information is called as a abstraction. So it is a best example is a ATM machine. Our ATM machine, we can go in ATM machine. We have one ATM card, and this ATM card we will put in ATM machine. After that, enter our ATM pin. After that, showing only essential information like withdraw balance, check balance, change OTP, etc. Showing essential information. But actually, how it is working, going on, it not showing. It is a hiding. So that is a abstraction. So it is one of the best examples of abstraction. After that, encapsulation. Encapsulation means it is a wrapping of data into single entity is called as a encapsulation. It is the best example is our class. Class is class is encapsulation by objects and properties. So class is the best example because in this class we have variables and properties, and variable and property, this is encapsulated by a single entity with the help of class. So class is one of the best example. After that, our medicine tablet. Medicine tablet is one of the best examples of best examples of encapsulation. In our medicine tablet, there are lots of chemical contaminant are present, and this tablet is encapsulated with the help of encapsulation and wrapping of binding of chemical type. So this is the encapsulation. So that's about overall of OOPS concept. So I hope you will understand OOPS concept. Today we will learn this. So that's about my OOPS concept. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.